Hello everybody, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. So it turns out that we don't need all collectibles in order to get a platinum trophy, but in the sake of wanting to try to 100% this game, we will get through all the collectibles, and there's something at the hideout. I just want to make sure I'm going on the right thing. Sink the mothership on this planet. Save the dimensional map. Acquire a piece of armor. We already did that. Gold bolt 5. Fully upgraded weapon. We'll do all this. Turn on the TV and vary its hideout. That's what it was. So we'll do that. So, wrong button. Where are we off to? Drop gas on right there. How's that? Alright, so we're going to try to explore as much as we can of this planet. Oh, I'm out of ammo on this too. Shit. That was a completely different human, a different animal.
There's a seeker pede right over my hideout. I haven't been out this far in a while. Been a lot of swamp acid between here and the Mortz's gelatonium factory.
Those beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
Sleetles, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. As soon as I can get close enough.
Welcome back!
Whoa. This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
That collider will change your life. I do declare. Enhancements incoming!
I don't know much about these enemies. Oh, I just realized my HP went up. Okay. We got what? Level up?
That was exciting. Weapons, ammo, and upgrades. I'll get some.
Needle wasps!
You
Ow.
dispatch them quite capably.
Where's that speedle going?
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from that cave.
And the last speedle runs into that rift thingy.
Interesting. You must have a rift tether in your glove, too.
Into a hidden pocket dimension.
Alright, Smarty Bot. What is this place?
A dimensional pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
How do you come up with this stuff? Hey, it's Maynard, the Mortis helper bot. Must have wandered in through the rift somehow.
There is the Speetle.
No, don't hide! Ugh!
Hitting its nest might get its attention.
Hello there. Ugh! Gotcha!
Oh, dear!
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the Morts.
Fire a piece of armor.
Could get away from this acid.
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the Morts! Excuse me!
Look out!
I got it! See? Sometimes I don't crash.
Please. careful!
What did I say about backseat driving? Stop! 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 There's the gelatonium factory. I'm coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that Lombax and his Robopet across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
See? They are looking for Ratchet. I am telling the truth.
Whatever, Bolts. I'm gonna save my friends. Hey, I know where you can find a Lombax.
Another Lombax? Tell us where your friend is,
Where are these doofuses coming from?
Perhaps they were sucked through the dimensional vortex as well. To avoid injury going forward.
Mort! Good, you're okay.
Us? Oh, when we heard those fellas were after a Lombax, we were worried about you. Well, next thing we know, you're here saving our behinds.
Wait, where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is. All I know is it keeps getting bigger. Oh, between that and our new neighbor up there, we're not doing too fine.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Zerkies? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there. Enemies not getting the point? Hit them over and over again with the ricochet! Enhancements incoming! No need to buy that again. Leave it so soon?
Okay. Do not enter. Got it.
May I take a look? I have some experience with dimensional anomalies.
Sure.
Greetings! Welcome! How did you get in here?
Where exactly is, here?
Oh, you don't know? Well, I don't either. It appears to be a space between dimensions. Could be nothing. Could be a cascading entropic fissure that will soon turn the entire universe into a formless soup. Time will tell.
Oh. Oh dear. Well, I am Clank. Please allow me to help.
Right, yes, Clank. I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega. But you can call me Gary. Here we are, Clank. Former warbot, teamed up with the Lombax. Became a hero. Ooh, good for you. Ooh, friend of my father. I see.
Your father?
You might just be the one I've been waiting for. Would you like to help me fix the dimensions?
You know how to fix the dimensions? And why are there copies of me running around?
They're your possibilities. The key to repairing this anomaly. But first, pick up that nearby sphere. This is a lift sphere. It can reduce the gravity on any object it touches. It seems your possibilities are what keeps an anomaly from collapsing. They look like you because that's how you interpret dimensionality. But you can see, they've lost their way. If you can guide them to the meta-terminal ahead, you'll begin to repair this anomaly. Now, enter the meta-terminal and you'll be one step closer to fixing this dimensional anomaly.
I feel like things are slowly starting to make sense, dimensionally speaking.
A speed sphere. That'll get you moving.
I bet some extra speed could make quick work of that barrier. Do you live on Sargasso too, Gary?
Savali, actually. I've been studying in the archives. It's the greatest repository of dimensional knowledge I've ever seen.
No!
Oh.
That device may be able to redirect my possibilities. There must be a way to activate it.
Outstanding! You seem to be a natural at this, Clank.
I am cautiously optimistic. I feel myself learning something by completing these puzzles, but I cannot explain what it is.
Words will come to you when you are ready. Now, lead your possibilities to the final meta terminal. And not to stress you out, but there's a lot riding on this. Like, a lot.
If I fix this anomaly, will that fix all the damage that has been done in this dimension?
Oh no, anomalies are spreading too quickly to do that. I'm afraid a dimensional cataclysm is coming, and our only hope to stop it is with that which caused it.
The Dimensionator?
Indeed. But if repairing anomalies is helping you learn about dimensionality, I think you'll soon be able to learn enough to save us all. Hopefully.
I wonder if I will be able to solve all of this in the end.
What makes you say that?
It has been a long time since I have been a hero. And with everything that happened with the Dimensionator, I am concerned.
In times of great stress, which seems to be every day of my life, I've always found it best to take things one step at a time. Focus on what's in front of you. I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
Just a little pick-me-up.
That's it, Clank! You repaired the anomaly! And now we're one step closer to stopping the dimensional cataclysm.
There we go.
So then I says, listen, Mort, you, Mort, and Mort better hide that lemonade before Mort shows up.
Whoa! You saved them! How did you do that?
I am uncertain.
Rivet! How the heck are you?
Look who it is! You would not believe my luck today. My trip to Nefarious City went totally sideways. I wrecked my ship, and
You go on and leave that one to old Mort. Well, assuming you brought that part I asked for, I'll have this old thing in ship shape.
just gotta lower the bridge, and then I'm taking you to my hideout.
What are we going to do there?
You'll find out soon enough.
Alright, that's gonna be it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.